Hello, little adventurers! I'm Jessie Jetsy, your guide. Are you ready to explore the world together? Then let's go, my friends. Today, my friends are heading out on a camping trip deep in the forest. The sun is shining brightly as Liam, Emma, Noah, Olivia, and Ava arrive in the forest. Liam kicks a soccer ball happily, eager to play after setting up camp. Emma is ready to explore the flowers and trees nearby, playing with a butterfly. Noah carries a small gadget, curious about the weather and nature's secrets. Olivia holds a science book, prepared to share interesting facts with her friends. Ava is looking at colorful pictures with cute animals around her. What a perfect day for an outdoor adventure. I'm really enjoying it. Liam and Emma are enjoying the sunshine while chatting. Noah checks the weather app on his gadget. The forecast says sunny all day. Olivia reads aloud from her book about the importance of storms in nature. Ava sings a little song about the forest while admiring it. Suddenly, dark clouds start to gather on the horizon, slowly covering the blue sky. Noah frowns. Uh-oh, the weather is changing faster than I expected. Emma asks herself, those clouds look heavy and dark. Could a storm be coming? Storms are part of nature's cycle, but we must be prepared and safe. The wind picks up, rustling the leaves and making the trees sway gently. Liam says, let's finish setting up quickly before the rain starts. Hey friends, listen. Lightning is powerful but can be dangerous, so always stay safe. Liam and Emma agree to leave quickly, before the storm arrives. Come on, my friends. Quick, let's get into that nearby cabin. We'll be safe there. Ava and Liam start running to get to the house as soon as possible. Only Olivia continues to read peacefully, sheltered in the shadow of the darkening clouds. I got to the wooden cabin first and checked to make sure everyone fits inside comfortably. I told the others, this place is perfect for waiting out the storm in safety. Liam steps up to the window, watching with curiosity as lightning zigzags across the sky. Emma takes Liam's hand and says, it's a little scary, but also exciting. Oh, it feels so safe in here, and we made it before the storm. Did you know lightning is actually a huge electrical discharge between clouds or from cloud to ground? Noah's eyes light up. But how does all that electricity get made up there? Jump like I do. Inside the clouds, tiny ice crystals and water droplets bump into each other. This rubbing creates electric charges, which build up inside the cloud. Olivia adds, it's like when we rub a plastic bag on our clothes and it makes our hair stand up. Exactly. When the charges get strong enough, the electricity starts to flow. That flow is lightning, which can go from cloud to cloud or from the cloud to the ground. Ava asks in wonder, and why do we see lightning and hear thunder together? Lightning heats the air super fast, making it expand suddenly. That expansion creates sound waves, which we hear as thunder, Liam says excitedly. So lightning is the light, and thunder is the sound we hear after? Emma adds. And that's why we see lightning first, and hear thunder a little later. Noah asks, how fast is light that it gets here before the sound? Light travels about 300 kilometers per second, but sound only about 340 meters per second. Olivia wonders, what can we do to stay safe when there's lightning? Always find shelter. Never stand in open spaces. Avoid tall trees and metal objects, because they attract lightning. Ava says, that's why it's so good we're in the cabin now, safe and dry. Liam looks out the window, watching the rain pour down. Look how quickly the weather can change, he says. Emma adds, nature always surprises us, doesn't it? Yes, and there's always something to learn from it. The rain gets heavier, and the lightning flashes more and more often. Noah takes out his little gadget, which can detect lightning. This device helps scientists understand storms and predict them better, Noah explains. Olivia shows everyone pictures of lightning from her book. Ava sings a short song about lightning and nature, and everyone hums along. Olivia tells a charming little story about how people long ago believed in fairies, played in the clouds, and made lightning when they bumped into each other. Liam laughs. That's a fun story, but science is even more exciting. Emma asks, when will the storm end? I can't wait to go outside again. The storm will pass soon, and the sun will shine again. Then we can go outside. Storms remind us how powerful nature is, but also how beautiful. The rain slowly stops, and the clouds begin to drift away. Emma smiles. It's the perfect time to explore again and enjoy the fresh air. Sunbeams break through the clouds, and a rainbow appears in the sky. Birds start singing once more, filling the air with cheerful melodies. Noah exclaims, "Look at that beautiful rainbow!" Olivia adds, "Rainbows happen when sunlight meets raindrops in the air." Olivia happily walks with her favorite book in her hand through the fresh, rain-soaked forest. Liam and Emma step outside into the fresh, clean air and start playing again. I'm watching the team and say, "This is the magic of nature." As evening comes, the team gathers around a campfire. Liam and Noah share stories about their day's adventures. Noah lets balloons float up into the sky where lightning was flashing just moments ago. Olivia reminds everyone about lightning safety and the rules they learned. Friends, always respect nature and be careful during storms. The fire crackles, the stars shine above, and the team rests peacefully. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. See you next time, adventurers.